It's a flush fender system.
Flush fender system. Illumina Flush Fender System. Illumina? Illumina? I didn't put the side covers on. Supposed to put those on before you put the bags on. Every fucking time every fucking time, man, I will forget the fucking side covers every time I put a fucking saddlebags on. Every time. Oh well, we can still check them and make sure they work here. They work.
This is a great product that is going to protect the vulnerable water line and wiring underneath the bottom of the bike.
Can you get it on there with the saddlebag on there?
No, but I like to think I can sometimes, just because. It's pretty easy.
We could make it more complicated.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
First you got the bearing off.
Go ahead and pull the motor.
Yeah. Go ahead and take your saddlebags off.
And your gas tank, and pull the motor.
It's chirping.
Chirp, chirp, chirp. They are sweet. Yeah. So this is like putting 2024 wheels on your 2014 Silverado, you know? All right. Throw that on the ground.
All right.
Illumina, right?
Yep.
All right. Hey guys, Alex at HOGWORKZ, and today we're going to be showing you a new product. It is our Illumina Flush Illumina. Why can't I fucking say that? Illumina. Illumina, right?
Yeah, Illumina.
Illumina. All right. Illumina. Like Illumina.
Illumina.
Illumina. Illumina. All right, ready?
We're here today with Al Roker. All right, I'll do it again.
Hey guys, these are our carbon fart and fart fucking fenders. It's gonna come with all your hardware, and I don't know what else to say.
We're gonna get over to Alex and show you just how easy this is to get on your machine. Because I'm up here, I can't go back there.
Yeah, can we sit there?
Yeah, Al, you install while I sit here. Yeah, I was gonna get behind me and show you how it's, and show me how it's done.
It was doing that the whole way down here?
Yeah, that one day it was. I'm not a big fan of the alarms on these new bikes. It's stupid. You gotta have the key fob everywhere you go with it. You wanna work on something, you put it on the lift, lift it up and down, fucking alarm goes off. And today we are bringing you our fucking easy breezy install as I'm sitting here fucking sweating my balls off. You better get some fans on you if you're working in summertime. Illumina, Illumina, right?
Yep, Illumina.
All right.
Take 17.
Hey guys, Alex at HOGWORKZ, and today we're going to be talking about our Illumina Flush Fender mounts fucking shit over here. A, B, C, D, E, E, F, G. Use these little tabs, just go ahead and push them up, up, and it just falls right out, like, just like that, man. There's nothing to it.
Don't mind me. Breaking stuff.
Yeah. You always think it's gonna hold on there. Dude. It's like, yeah, this thing's gonna hold right on there, no problem. You're gonna reuse your T25 screws that you used to remove.
That you had.
English.
Oh, I don't want you to think that I don't know what I'm doing, because I fucking do. It's just taking me a little longer to figure it out. Jump to the other side. Okay. Jesus Christ. Holy shit. Do yourself a favor. Pop them caps off. Check them numbers. Check them contacts, so you know what you're gonna get. Stop bothering Noah. Check out the fitment table at hogworks.com. The sissy bar, and it's not actually a sissy bar, it's an engine guard. All right, let's do this one more time. fuck? So then to install these grommets, a little trick is if you just put like a little bit of water on them or even spit on that thing,
Give him that hawk too.
they'll slide in there a little easier.
It's the Illumina Flush Fender System, brother. This is the baddest motherfucker on the road, dude.
Illumina, ill, brother. All right, for real?
Yep.
Hey guys, Alex at HOGWORKZ, and today we're gonna be talking about our Illumina Flush. Illumina. That doesn't even sound right. You can use that same template on the outside of your liner if you still have it. If not, you'll have to lay the bag on here and just kind of outline from the other side, maybe where the holes at. I don't know how you're gonna do that. Slide this out. Like not like that. Okay, I'm gonna get you a good one here, ready? All right, go ahead and slide this out. And we're ready for our new one.
Just looking nice and easy. Comes right off. What are you waiting on?
You.
You're good.
My bad. See what the Allen size is. I'm gonna guess that's.
Oh shit, how do we do that sign on?
Oh yeah, we never did turn the sign on either. We're not even open for business yet.
No.
Oh, there we go. There we go.
Open for business.
Hey guys, Alex at HOGWORKZ, and today we're going to be bringing you a new product. This is our Illumina Flush LED Fender System. This is going to be